All right. This is Mr. Sweeney, and I'm going to show you how to get into the sample test. Apparently, we're having a lot of issues. You can just go to a web browser and type in AZ Merit, and it will automatically bring up the test portal. Okay, so you'll go to the test portal, you'll click on it, and it will take you to this site. Okay, it depends on the site that you're on or the browser that you use, but you'll see on one site it'll be here or it'll be blue, depending on how you get there. I've seen it in different ways. So you can click on sample tests, and here you go. And this is what I was talking about. Okay, so on this site, you have right here, you have the answers. The test, there's only one test, and it doesn't give the answers. So this is a place where you to download the answers, and you can verify that the student is getting the correct answers. Okay, if you want to take the test, you'll click on Take Sample Test. Just click on that link. From there, you'll have all these buttons. Just leave them alone. You'll just go right to the bottom, and you'll click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will hit the grade that you want to do. In this case, we're going to do 4th grade, and it will bring up the different sample tests. So ELA is yellow. So you have your writing, and then you have your ELA reading. Okay, and then you go here, you have your math. Okay, down here are the tools, which you don't need. Those will come up if they're available in your test. Okay, we're just going to click on the ELA, the writing. Okay, this will come up. This does nothing. The students don't need to mess with this. This just changes the screen if they want a different screen. Okay, once they set it, they can't change it. Okay, so we recommend that they just leave it alone. Okay, this is usually for visually impaired students and things like that. Okay, hit the green select button, and then from there you're going to you have to verify that you heard the voice. Okay, so this little round button, click it.
This text is being read aloud.
And then you'll hear the voice. Okay, the students have the option of listening to a female voice.
This text is being read aloud.
Okay, so that's a student preference. Okay, again, once they've set it, that's where it will be. The volume, we recommend that that's all the way up, and then they can adjust it on their computer device. The pitch, that changes the tempo of the voice.
This text is being read aloud.
Okay, and then the rate says how fast.
This text is being read aloud.
Okay, again, we just recommend that they do that. Once you heard the voice, you click I heard the voice, then you hit continue. Okay, this is the help guide, which students have already been through, and the settings they don't need to do. They just click begin the test, and then it will bring up the test. Okay, the students understand all these buttons. We've gone through them. Okay, and if they have questions, the students are allowed to have the test read to them. So here it says speak the question.
The teachers in your school are planning activities for students. Write an essay for your teacher in which you give your opinion about whether students should do activities to improve schools. Use information from the passages in your essay. Manage your time carefully so that you can read the passages.
Okay, and then they also can have over here they can highlight. Because it's reading, they cannot have this portion is not read to them. They have to read the story, hence that's part of that. But they can use the line reader, okay, to help them stay focused on where they're reading. They do have an access to a dictionary, so if they don't know what graffiti is, okay, they can highlight it and then they can copy. Okay, and then it will tell them what graffiti means. Okay, or if they're writing and they want to use a different word besides graffiti, they can hit the thesaurus. Okay, and there's nothing there, but say we want to change a lot that we talk about in our classes, we don't want to use the word because. So we can change to a thesaurus, and it has synonyms right here. So they can use different ways of saying because. Okay, that's it. Again, there's only one test. So once you're done, they should be writing down the answers to the test, and then you can click this sample test, and let's say for ELA for writing, it will bring the test. Okay, well, mine's not working just because I have this screen recorder on. But the test will come up. Yeah, so I can't get it to come up just because the program is running right now. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. But again, to get there, just go to Google, AZ Merit, okay, and AZ Merit test, and then azmeritportal.org will pop up. That is the place where you want to go to sample test and then sample test again. Okay, I hope that helps. If you still have issues, please let me know.